All rise for the jury. Ladies and gentlemen, I am directing this question to the foreperson of the jury. Have you reached a verdict?
Yes, we have, Your Honor.
Mel?
Thank you.
Madam Clerk, would you please read the verdicts?
State of Arizona versus Gerald Bowman, CR 2015-001-671-001. Verdict, count 1. We, the jury, duly impaneled and sworn in the above entitled action upon our oaths, do find the defendant, Gerald Bowman, as to count 1, aggravated assault, to wit, broken nose, not guilty, signed, foreperson. Verdict, count 2. We, the jury, duly impaneled and sworn in the above entitled action on our oaths, do find the defendant, Gerald Bowman, as to count 2, aggravated assault, to wit, capacity to resist, not guilty, signed, foreperson. State of Arizona versus Marcus Morris, CR 2015-001-671-003. Verdict, count 1. We, the jury, duly impaneled and sworn in the above entitled action upon our oaths, do find the defendant, Marcus Morris, as to count 1, aggravated assault, to wit, broken nose, not guilty, signed, foreperson. Verdict, count 2. We, the jury, duly impaneled and sworn in the above entitled action upon our oaths, do find the defendant, Marcus Morris, as to count 2, aggravated assault, to wit, capacity to resist, not guilty, signed, foreperson. State of Arizona versus Markeith Morris, CR 2015-001-671-004. Verdict, count 1. We, the jury, duly impaneled and sworn in the above entitled action upon our oaths, do find the defendant, Markeith Morris, as to count 1, aggravated assault, to wit, broken nose, not guilty, signed, foreperson. Verdict, count 2. We, the jury, duly impaneled and sworn in the above entitled action upon our oaths, do find the defendant, Markeith Morris, as to count 2, aggravated assault, to wit, capacity to resist, not guilty, signed, foreperson.
Ladies and gentlemen, my clerk is now going to ask you a question. Please answer the question yes or no.
Are these your true verdicts, so say you want to know?
Yes.
Mr. Fisher, would you like to poll the jury?
No, Judge.
Ladies and gentlemen, your service as jurors in this case has now ended. The admonition is now lifted. You are welcome to talk about this case. You may choose to never talk about the case. Now the decision is yours. At the end of a trial, typically I come back and thank the jurors for their service. Oftentimes, the lawyers appreciate an opportunity to come back and speak with you jurors. Like I just indicated, you are under no obligation to speak to anyone, including me or the lawyers, regarding your service as a juror. I'm going to come back in a few moments and thank you. If you choose to leave before I come back, on behalf of the Maricopa County Superior Court, thank you for your time and attention and your service as jurors in this case. If you choose to remain, I will come back and speak to you, and then I will give you an opportunity to leave before the lawyers come back. If you choose to stay, the lawyers will come back and have an opportunity to speak with you. If I don't see you, ladies and gentlemen, thank you. All rise.
Yes.
Please be seated. It is ordered entering a judgment of acquittal as to Gerald Bowman on counts 1 and count 2. It is ordered entering a judgment of acquittal on counts 1 and count 2 as to Marcus Morris, and it is ordered entering a judgment of acquittal as to Marcus Morris as to count 1 and count 2. I'm going to go back.
You said Marcus Morris twice.
Would you like a judgment of acquittal? The court is ordering a judgment of acquittal as to Markeith Morris on count 1 and count 2. Thank you, Mr. Eckstein. Counsel, I'm going to go back and speak with the jurors. If you choose to remain, I will take you back when I come back into the courtroom. If you choose not to go back and speak with the jurors, you're welcome to leave. Thank you. Except counsel, you need to have your exhibits released, please.